Hi. Where's your dog? Is he over there? Hi, dog. Come here, Austin. Look up. Yeah, Austin, want to sit down for us? Sit. Good. Okay, I'm going to go over to the other side. Austin, stay with... Oh, Kevin's going to get your foot. Uh-oh. Where'd your dog go? Is he going to play on the computer? Kevin. Ah! Is your dog going to play on the computer? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Oops. I'm going to have to change your hand bandages, aren't I? Yeah, they're starting to kind of slip off here. Yeah, I don't want them breaking. Okay. Oh, what's in there? Oh, what's in there, Kevin? Is that your diaper bag? Oh my goodness. Oh, we don't put plastic in our mouth. Thank you. We'll just put that down in there. Thank you. Say Lucy. Come here, Lucy. Come here. Say hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi. Come here. Come here, Lucy. Aww. Say Lucy. Say Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Lucy, want to sit with us? Come here. Come, Lucy, and sit. Lucy, sit. Oh. Come here, Lucy. You have to stay. Lucy, just sit. Come on, sit. And down. Lucy, down. Oh, thank you, Lucy. Oh, thank you, Lucy. I know, because Austin won't let us sit. Will he? No. Say thanks, Lucy. Nice to Lucy. Pet nicely to Lucy. Gentle, because Lucy's so gentle. Nice and gentle to Lucy. Say hi, Lucy. Because Lucy's so soft. So soft. Aww. Poor Lucy. Nice to Lucy's toes. Nice to Lucy's toes. Poor Lucy, huh? We don't know what to do with this new mobile baby, Kevin. We don't know what to do with you. You're so mobile now. What are we going to do with you? Huh? You're so mobile. Yeah. I think we need to put your hand bandage back on, hon. Don't you think we need to? I think so. Mama says, come on, you want to come with Mama? Uh-oh, I think Uncle Scott's here. Uh-oh, I think Uncle Scott's here. Is Uncle Scott here? Oh, where did the dogs go? Who is it? Kevin, who is it? Who is it? Say, who is it? Say, who's there? Who's there? Oh, we bonked forward. Oh, okay.